Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're here back again with more runs for you guys. Right now we got the Focus RS and my Go is 2.0. So we're gonna do some runs and see how they do. Alright guys, so this car right here is making 400 wheel and 446 torque. It's full bolt-ons, E30, stock turbo. So yeah, there's an intake. I think the flex view is somewhere around here. I'm not sure, but yeah, so it's making 446 torque, and the cord you guys saw it the other day, 400 wheel and 362 torque. So yeah, so the advantage this one has is the 10-speed auto is lighter. It's making the same horsepower as this one, and then this one is heavier stick, and the torque might help it a lot because it has almost 450 wheel torque. So yeah, so let's see how it goes, and I'll see you guys. Ready? Ready?
Right here, right here.
66. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Yeah, go.
Nah, no brake boost. I know, yeah, you're going back. Ready? Yeah, that was good, that was good. That was good.
Ready?
Yeah. Hot. You ready? Oh shit, I fucked up. Yeah, I messed up, bro. What an idiot. Alright guys, so there you have the runs. We didn't have a lot of space as usual, but they're pretty good overall. The RS takes off in torque, as you guys saw, and then the Accord pulls top end. The ones he didn't pull back is probably because we didn't have space, but if we kept going, the Accord was gonna pull back little by little. Not fast, but little by little it was gonna pull back. Also guys, I'm really trying to get that WX against RS rematch, because that last race they did, I don't know what was wrong with the RS. That WX pulled ahead like nothing, like if the RS wasn't moving. So yeah, I really gotta get that rematch done and see how they do. I feel like the RS was in a low map setting, so yeah, so stay tuned for that. I might get that run next time. And yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned guys, like, comment and subscribe, and peace out. out.